The Arabic letters which have tanween on them, their sound is called heavy sound, and the letters which have single haraka, their sound is called light sound. In this way, every Arabic letter has three heavy sounds, un, an, in, and three light sounds, u, a, e. For example, three heavy sounds of alif, un, an, in, three heavy sounds of ba, bun, ban, bin, three heavy sounds of jim, jun, jan, jin, and three light sounds of alif, u, a, e, three light sounds of ba, bu, ba, bi, three light sounds of jim, ju, ja, ji. We can easily remember these sounds by knowing that if we remove the n sound of the heavy sound, we get the light sound. For example, un becomes u, an becomes a, and in becomes e.